Where did I put that socket now? Back up here, didn't I? Yep. There. That's untied in. Lock that around. Into it. Actually, this box is locked down this time. One's tight. Alright, one's tight. We'll check, make sure this one's locked. And there we go, guys. Blind done with thermostat. That's it. We think. Alright, let's get all these tools out of here. Yes. Alright, now, behind the gate here, somewhere, is some coolant in a container. There should be oil in the coolant.
Yeah, coolant, yeah, only oil. Yes.
Get some water then. Yeah, she dropped that level right down so I can get some water to chuck in there.
Okay. How are you going to do that?
What's this?
That's the phone.
The phone? You got to hand it in the right way so that way you fill it in.
I'll pause it.
No, don't pause it. Keep it going.
Yeah, keep it going.
I'll keep talking. Oh, that way?
Yeah, that way. That's facing the engine.
Yep, that's good. Cool. Yep. Alright, guys. We've got the thermostat in. So hopefully no more leaks. I'm going to go back down and see the boys at Auto Barn because I don't know if you can see that, but I smashed that pod filter. I didn't. It fell off when someone was driving and it got crushed down in here somewhere. Got stuck in there. Very interesting. So, hopefully now we'll have no leaks. We'll wander around here. Touching, touching, touching. You always wonder why the car's so dirty. It's because I put my blind grotty hands all over it all the time. Alright, key in the ignition. When we find the ignition, we have ignition. Now we'll just wait for some water. As you can see, it's still got the 18s on the front, the 20s on the back. But they are getting changed very shortly. Things that were on this side have been kind of sort of rectified to an extent where it's a bit better. Exhaust hasn't fallen off yet. Good job to the boys for doing that. But the pod did, and that wasn't a planned incident, but it happened and all the same. Alright, how we go? Some water. Alright, hang on, I'll kick her over, mate. Alright, here we go, guys. The test on whether we fix this leak. Cold start, first thing in the morning. Oh, rattle, rattle, squeak, squeak. Alright, let's get around Steve over here. Any leaks there, boys? Nope. Guess what? The blind man killed it. So far, so good. We got water in there?
Yeah.
Cap back on?
Will be.
Oh, one around, don't run into the pylon.
125, look.
125? That's about right. Alright, I'm going to give it a couple of revs. Sounds good to me. Idle down, come on. There we go. All idle down. She's had some pressure in the system now. Still no leaks?
No leaks.
Oh, look at it. This Blimey's a genius. No, I'm not. Just not bad with a set of spanners, guys. These go. Blimey's prepared Brittany. She's not weeing everywhere anymore. A bit burnt? Ah, well. Car's a wreck. That's it, we got a new one on it. She's sounding alright. Bit chicky, but it's done 300 and something, 380,000 K or something. I don't know, guys. You might be able to see this speedo and comment. How many Ks we got there? Where are we? There we go. She's running alright. For an old engine, we can't fault her too much. The sound at the back, I love the sound of this car on idle. It just sounds good. So, Brittany's back on the road. I'll do another video in about an hour of us hooning around town. Not hooning, cruising, because Blind Garage doesn't hoon. It's not cool. Alright guys, keep tyres turning for Tilly, and we'll talk again soon. Cheers. I don't even know how to operate that phone, so someone else is going to have to stop it.
Alright.